Borida everyone, welcome back. I've got another kind of haul video for you. If you've been here a while, you'll know that I am a fan of fountain pens and fountain pen inks and all of that jazz. And I finally managed to get my hands on the Eye on the Universe Season 7 fountain pen inks. So I personally was desperate to get hold of the Pillars of Creation and Mystic Mountain double set. I just cut this open. This label goes over the lid. I just cut this open for ease because otherwise I would be spending hours desperately trying to cut this open on screen and failing miserably. So, ooh. Oh. All right, so there's like a little, sorry, I just went completely silent there. There's like a little information booklet on all of the colours that are included in the Season 7. This is the Pillars of Creation and Mystic Mountain. The main reason why I really desperately wanted this pair is for the Mystic Mountain. I don't have any inks that are this pale, kind of periwinkle kind of colour. And I'm really, really keen to ink this up. Ooh. What is this? Okay, so there's like a little sticker, pen stand. Ooh. So anyway, I'm too excited. Ooh. So these are the two ink pens. These are the two inks in the Colorverse Pillars of Creation and Mystic Mountain set. The Pillars of Creation is a 65mm and the Mystic Mountain is a 15mm. So the Pillars of Creation is a purple that I think it sheens green. And the Mystic Mountain is a very, very, very pale blue. And if I tip it over, you should be able to see that it's got some mica in there, so it's a shimmering. And as I said, I'm just way too excited about these pens, inks even. Can't speak, totally and utterly losing my shit. So anyway, I will have filmed a, oh god, what's it called again? Like a whole video for my TWSBI Eco glow-in-the-dark pens. This one I will probably put into the glow-in-the-dark purple. And this one I will put into the glow-in-the-dark green. Technically, both of these could go in the purple because when the purple glows in the dark, it glows blue. But yeah, I'm gonna ink them up in that order. So I have my TWSBI Eco here. Ooh, now comes the fun bit. Can I get the lid off fast enough before the mica settles to the bottom? Probably not. See, this is why I cut the this is why I cut the label open earlier. I just end up struggling with things when I'm doing it on camera. Oh, I think I'm going to have to get some rubber gloves. Right, back in a minute. Right, fingers crossed this is going to work this time. So, just shaking it up to distribute the mica throughout. Ooh. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Love it. Uh-oh. The cats are on their way. Right, so I've just got loads of air bubbles in the feed, so I'm just slowly trying to get rid of some of those air bubbles. Hey babies, don't fight, come on, be nice. Sorry, I think I may need to interrupt this recording again because I think that they may or may not need to have a bit of a fight. Anyway, before I knock this over, or one of the cats knocks over, I'll just close that. And then, and yes, I am left-handed. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love that. That is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see the really subtle sheen. I'm going to have to lift that right up. Oops. And I was correct. I think the cats need to have a little fight. But yeah, so the sheen is kind of pink, like pinky. But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. So anyway, now I'm going to, I don't know if there's mica in this one. I don't think there's mica in this one. Give it a good shake anyway, just to be on the safe side. Okay. And I'll just let that one dry a bit. So do excuse me, I had to break the cats up. So I've left my inks to dry for a little while. And just as a reminder, this is the Colorverse Mystic Mountain, which I've now inked up into my TWSBI Eco, and you can see the mica in the barrel. And this is the Colorverse Pillars of Creation, which is a purple ink which sheens to green. So this obviously is an Archer and Olive pad, notepad. This is the, oh, what's it called again? Neapolitan, so it's got black, white and craft in it. You can't see it through, so it doesn't ghost, which is great, which is the main reason why I love such thick paper. Can you see the sheening on the Pillars of Creation? Not to my mind. So, you know, kind of possibly it needs a proper fountain pen paper to get that that to come out. So like Tomoe River paper. I don't have any Tomoe River paper, I don't think. But am I really, really happy that I've got the Mystic Mountain? Hell to the yes. This makes me very happy. Uh-oh. Oh, we're gonna have fisticuffs again. Sorry. Is it a good idea to buy loads of fountain pen inks in bottles when you have two cats that love to play and fight and just generally knock everything over? Probably not, but that's who I am. I make bad choices, but they're my choices. So I may or may not have to cut this video a bit short to go and cuddle with my cats and stop them from killing each other. But I'm just so excited that this came back into stock. I bought this from Pure Pens in the UK. I know that you can buy Colorverse inks elsewhere in the world, but I was very lucky to be able to source this from inside the UK. They will not lie flat this way around. So yeah, that's the Mystic Mountain and Pillars of Creation. I wasn't too interested in getting all of the other colours within this set. As I said, this is season 7. So there are loads of other colours which are detailed in the Eye on the Universe little handout that came in the box. And you can see so much better the sheening on that one. That's what it should look like. It's purple with some green sheen. But yeah, I'm a fountain pen nut, and I love especially shimmering inks. So this just makes my heart happy. I am a happy bunny. So are you a fountain pen nut? If you are, comment in the comment section below. Do you enjoy watching the cats walk across the screen? If not, I'm terribly sorry, this is probably not the channel for you. They tend to walk across the screen in pretty much every single video I do. They just seem to know that the camera is on and they're like, oh, you know, hi, just pop in. If you are interested in seeing more of my content, more things about fountain pens, fountain pen inks, planners, planning, card making, scrapbooking, ATCs, that kind of thing, please do consider subscribing. I'd love to grow my channel. And if you like this video, like it so that it lets the robot overlords know that this is the kind of thing that you want to see more of. Take care, and hopefully I will see you in my channel soon, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye!